Have you got your driver's license?
Yeah.
Can I see your driver's license? Right, oh, you just give your license, like, get yourself in, get yourself ready. Oh, that's a smashing picture, isn't it? Oh, hey, me, wow. You look like a lawyer type of person.
My father's a lawyer.
Hmm?
My father is a lawyer.
Is he?
Yeah. My father and my sister.
Today we got Firoz'S in for test cancel signal. He's at one bus stop and I'm at the other, so he's out of breath. And we get your blind spot area. You're not going to try and catch her out, you know. And signal that, that's it. Remember, no heavy braking today.
Yeah.
Nice and light, nice and early. We nearly got rear-ended yesterday, didn't we? Braking too hard, the van nearly went in the back of us. It's a nice, smooth, light braking today. When you get in the car of the examiner, just put your license in there.
Okay.
And if you were turning right here, what would you do? Would you go in the middle when the lights change to green? If you
No.
were turning right?
No.
You wouldn't?
If I'm in the right side,
Yes.
I can.
What would you do when the lights change to green?
I can wait there. The
Where?
signal here.
Do you drive in the middle when the lights change to green? If you yes.
For taking right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. And if the backup light changes when you're in the middle, what do you do?
Sorry?
If you're in the middle and the backup light changes to red, what do you do?
I will go.
Good. If there's enough room to follow them in, do you follow them in or sit back at the white line?
I'll sit back at.
No, you go into the middle.
Okay.
If there's one car in the middle,
Yeah.
you follow them in.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
And then can you just pull up on the left? Well, that reminds me, when I was watching your video, you leave it too late and look at roundabouts. You need to look earlier. Do you remember roundabouts? You need to look earlier. Watch the purple car. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
You must not stop back here. What you don't do is stop half over the white line, half behind and half in front.
Yeah.
Wants to be fully over or fully behind the white line. But follow them in if there's enough room.
Okay.
If there's not, sit back. We're going to do the control stop. Tell me how you do it.
No.
Emergency stop.
Yeah.
Tell me how you do it. For your feet.
First press the brake. When it's about to stop, press the clutch.
Dude. And then when you stop, what do you do?
Handbrake. Neutral.
Then what?
No signal at that time.
Where do you look before you move off?
Everywhere.
Good. Off you go. I'm going to say stop, okay?
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, what do you do? Don't look at me. Drive on when you're ready. That was perfect technique. Really good. At the end of the road, turn left. Just ask the examiner, just can you do emergency stops or all the tests? That'll be fine. Now at the end. Wait, no. That says at the end of the road. No, keep going.
Yeah.
No, what are you doing? I need to speak better English. I see at the end of the road, turn left.
I thought all in queue.
What queue of traffic? Oh, dear me. Really? What made you think that was a queue of traffic?
From here, cars are there. That's it.
Right, I get that. Well, you're not the first to think like that. You definitely won't be the last. You might go that way this morning. Can you pull up the convenient place on the left? Just here, where you going? Well, look, there's a side road there.
Yeah, what junction is that?
Well, you could have just stopped 10 metres past it. Just stop there. Stop, because you're getting to the narrow. It's getting a bit narrow up here. Right, what do you do when you stop?
100. Is that all fine?
Well, you make hard work for yourself. Really gets quite narrow up here, doesn't it?
Yeah, but there is one junction.
Yeah,
on
there
the right
was.
side.
Yeah, totally agree. Right. There was a junction there.
Yeah.
There was a junction there. From that junction's about 25 metres. So I would have just, yeah, 10 metres past that junction.
Okay.
Got that? So I wouldn't have stopped up here. Look, see where you'll get away with it, but I would have stopped back there. And don't put the signal on early. What was to the left back there? There was a junction on the left.
Yeah.
And what did you do?
I put signal there.
You put the signal on. You've got to look for the time of the signal. Right, how do you know them are parked?
Here to the car.
The knee to the curb, any other clue?
I know lights.
There was no one in the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, now if they're at a junction, they're going to be like that, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, drive them when you're ready. So why could we move off there for? Why could we move off?
Now. Later.
No, there, just there. Why could we move off?
Because cars are behind that time. Cars are behind at that time. He was waiting for the cars coming from.
You have to use your brain the day, Feroz.
Yeah.
Now you're getting a bit close. Back off a bit. Remember that gap we talked about, the 2-second gap?
Is that fine to stop?
Yeah, behind the car. I'll give you a harder parallel park. Then just pull up on the left. Parallel park on that car.
Between now.
Red one, pull up alongside and just reverse it back in. Just pull up here. So you go around observations. That'll do. No, just stop. That'll do. That'll do for me. Perfect. Drive on when you're ready. If you go forward, you're going to get a minor fault for that. There's no need to correct it. It's about that far off the curb, 6 inches. I wouldn't worry about that. I like your wax on method, wax off method. Where'd you get that from?
From my own India.
India? Yeah, like that. We're turning right. What's the roads like in India to drive on? What's it like driving on the roads in India?
It's like very skilled.
Very what?
We need very skilled, like every cars are like, roads are very congested.
Yeah.
And every cars are like bumper to bumper distance. They will keep like bumper to bumper distance.
They all just sound horns, don't they?
Yeah, every time.
Oh dear.
And too many bikes are there on road.
Is it?
It's a driving test. It's not driving test.
No, it's just a lesson. Oh, I hope you passed the deer, Firoz. Do you think you'll pass?
Yeah.
Do you? Good. How many minor faults do you think you're going to get?
8.
How many?
8.
No, you're not getting them. Because he's from India, I'm going to go about 5 minors, yeah? I'm just worried in case you've got a serious fault up your sleeve. I think that junction was a bit dodge.
Can you washroom here?
Sorry?
Washroom here.
Yeah. Do you want to go to the toilet? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Well, that makes 2 of us. I'm nervous also. Now, if you're driving along the road and you're not sure of the speed limit, have a look in the side road. If you see 30s in the side road,
Yeah, it will be 40.
good. If there's no signs in the side roads, 30. When it's 40, you get repeated signs on lampposts. Okay? Right, I hope he passes, because he's a smashing lad, this one. He's good enough to pass, but he is from India, and they do have some tricks up the sleeves, them ones from India, so praying. Was it Namas?
Yeah.
Namas? What does that mean?
Right.
Namas. Yeah. I used to speak, I taught loads of people from India, and I used to teach us how to speak Indian. Right, Howie, then do you want to go to the toilet? Do you want to go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Up them stairs.
Yeah.
First, up the stairs, first door on the left. Go on, just go up and... Oh! He'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you?
Yeah.
No, I'm not coming with you. I'm too scared. Okay? But what he'll say is, do you want... would you like him there at the end for the debrief? You must say yes. Okay, so at the end of the test, if he passes or fails, he's going to say, do you want your trainer present? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay? Does he want the instructor to come with you? Say no, because he's too much of a coward. Say, you want him there at the end for the debrief? Say yes. I must listen, okay?
Yeah.
Good, go to the toilet then. Well, we're back off test with the amazing Firoz. Firoz, tell him what you've done.
Yeah.
Tell him what you've done.
I think I don't have any. There's only 1 minor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, only 1 minor for me.
You got 1 minor fault. Tell him what it was for.
When I did my emergency braking, after emergency braking, I didn't look around.
He started to drive off and then looked. He should have looked before. If he just looked all around, he would have had a clean sheet. This guy's my hero, this one. He's amazing. I've taught loads from India and I've never met a good one yet, but this one's really, really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, what was the exam like? Was he nice?
Yeah. He's very friendly.
Yeah, good over here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well done. I bet you're buzzing, are you? Are you very happy?
Yeah, very happy. I have quite nervous, so I am always watching every mirror.
Oh.